How to get rid of mosquitoes using lime and cloves. 1. Mosquitoes are flying insects which are common pests. The female mosquitoes suck blood from the skin, creating itchy, inflamed skin. 2. Many mosquitoes carry life-threatening diseases such as malaria and elephantiasis. There are natural ways and means to repel and get rid of mosquitoes inside and outside your home. 3. Limes are a green citrus fruit which are often confused with lemons. These have a completely different taste and smell. These work better at repelling mosquitoes, whereas lemons work better with flies. You will need 3 limes, 1 handful of cloves. Method: slice the limes into circular pieces using a sharp knife. Stick the cloves into the lime pulp throughout the fruit. Place the slices in places you wish to repel mosquitoes. Mosquitoes do not like the scent of strong aromas. The acidic citrus smell from the lime is combined with compounds in the cloves to keep the pests away. 4. Limes contain a wonderful fragrance and therefore makes the home smell fresh as an added benefit. 5. The above remedy works inside and outside the home. A spray version can be created by infusing limes and cloves in water in the refrigerator and then using a spray bottle. 6. Alternatively, you can purchase lime and clove oil and add them to an oil burner. This works especially well outdoors and in the garden. 7. There are many different natural repellents for mosquitoes and other insects. We recommend citronella candles for outdoors. 8. Cinnamon can be used to prevent ants from entering the home, and baking soda can be used to destroy roaches. To learn more about pest repellents, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.